Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the coziest and most comforting Korean side dishes, Korean steamed eggs. This dish is light, fluffy, and savory, kind of like a warm, custardy egg cloud. It's one of the most popular Korean side dishes, also called banchan, served at Korean barbecue restaurants, and it pairs perfectly with smoky grilled meats. This video is part of my Korean barbecue at home series where I show you how to make all the classic side dishes to complete your Korean barbecue experience. If you haven't seen my video on how to set up and do Korean barbecue at home, I'll link it below in the description so you can check it out after this one. Korean steamed eggs are a simple side dish made by gently steaming eggs until they turn soft, fluffy, and full of savory flavor. It's traditionally cooked and served right in a small earthenware pot. But don't worry, if you don't have one, you can use a small casserole dish. Start by taking a pot, fill it with some water, and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, place a metal steam rack or lifter at the bottom of the pot. Next, prepare the egg mixture. Crack some eggs in a bowl and whisk together. Slowly add some chicken broth while whisking. Then add diced green onions. Now whisk everything together really well using a fork or a whisk. You want to make sure the eggs and liquid are fully blended and smooth. This is what gives you that soft, uniform texture when it steams. Then oil your choice of baking dish. I'm using small 12-ounce casserole dishes that I got from Amazon. They fit perfectly into the steamer basket setup in the pot. I'll link them in the description so you can find the exact ones. Pour the egg mixture into the casserole dish. This recipe makes enough for two 12-ounce casserole dishes. Now let's cook it. Carefully set the dishes with the egg mixture on the steam basket. Place a lid over the entire pot, but leave it slightly cracked open to let some steam escape. Steam the eggs for about 12 to 13 minutes. When it's done, carefully remove the lid, watch out for the hot steam, and drizzle some toasted sesame oil right on top. That sesame aroma is absolutely delicious and gives it that authentic Korean restaurant flavor. You can serve it directly in the pot, piping hot, alongside a bowl of rice or your Korean barbecue dishes. If you're following my Korean barbecue at home series, this is just one of several banchan recipes I'm sharing to help you create a full Korean barbecue spread. Check out my other videos in the series like Korean marinated cucumbers, steamed eggplant, and Korean cheesy corn. You'll find all of those linked below in the description. Enjoy!